Yeah, good morning everyone. This video is all about GUI. It's a GUI course, a GUI based IIT certified programming professional and master data science program. This is a IIT Madras certified program in collaboration. The GUI is the institute, and so these are all the top skills that you will learn in this. The statistical programming language and the analytical tools and statistics, and also storytelling, that is data visualization. So you should there is a weekend batch that you can enroll for. You should have a perfect laptop and with a high processing storage, also with great internet access. So these are all the highlights of this course. So there is a placement assistance also they are providing, as I asked them. So this is a 12 weeks course, so you can enroll if you want, and there will be a form that you have to fill, and also you can request a call back. And it's a 12-week online learning. So these are all the curriculum or the syllabus that I can tell you, which is covering in this course. It is Python, data science, everything about data science, because it's a big ocean, data science. So we can't learn in 1 week, so it will take another nearly 4 to 5 weeks to complete that. So nearly 4 weeks they are taking, but we have to, as a personal, this is the curriculum, but as a personal opinion, even though the classes only is not that is only this is a they will give you a big material and very nice material and video lectures and all, but this is not enough for us, because we have to implement it. Whatever we are learning, we have to implement it. This is just a course we have to implement in order to expert in this. So they will GUI is a very good institute. They will definitely provide you a basic Python. If you are very skilled in basic, in advanced you can definitely become a great data analyst or data scientist. So Python is the basic thing that you have to learn. So each and every concept they will definitely tell you how to learn, how to this is a roadmap, so how to get more skilled on that. So Python and R programming language are the two best programming language for the data science who wants to pursue their career in the data science. I would definitely go with the Python since it has lots of advantages. Even GitHub is written in Python, and Python has lots of very good advantages where we can integrate easily with the Keras, TensorFlow, and deep learning neural networks and all. If you are going with Python, then it is very easy. People who wants statistical inference, that is statistical accuracy, or any results they want in mathematical calculation, they can definitely go with R programming language, that is mean of or standard deviation. That is very easy. For statistics, as I would say, I know both R as well as Python, because I am well versed in both. Because in some organization I worked in R, in some organization I worked in Python. So I learned both. In one course also, I have enrolled for one course in IntelliPath. So in that course also I learned both. I would prefer now in the future generation, I would prefer for the data science who are going to enroll for the data science as their career, definitely they have to start with Python, then only they have to start with R. Python is very base. R we can learn within 1 week, but Python there are huge amount of you have to generally you have to allocate lots of time in Python as well as in data science. After you skilled in this, that's why they itself given as Python. Then they have the roadmap itself is very nice, final projects in order to implement it. So these are all the certificate you will get it from GUI. And see, then after that so the program fields will be now I think the offer is going on 49,000, so you can go and fill it out. They will also provide you a placement, guaranteed placement, so you can definitely go and try this. People who wants to start their career in data science can definitely enroll for this course. I thought of it is not a collaboration or a promotion. I am just used to see 4 to 5 courses in data science and give you the best one. So that is what I feel. This is very good. I have attended a Python course in Kubi, and I find it's very good for the beginners. So that's what I am recommending this. So hope you. I will give you this link also in my description box below. Make use of it. Thank you.